Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be potting on and attempting to take some cuttings from the single seed potato challenge hosted by Steve over at Digwell Greenfingers. So these are the five single seed plants that we got, and two of them have got, this one's got 2 shoots on it, and this one's also got 2 shoots on it. So I'm going to attempt to take some cuttings off them two and repot the other, repot them all. So got some small pots for the cuttings. We've got some natural rooting powder, £1.69. And so what I'm going to do is cut just above this leaf on an angle with brand new Stanley blade. Just slice that on an angle. Just remove the lower leaves. Just dip that in the rooting powder. And hopefully that takes. Exactly the same with this one. I'll take it off this side and go just above this leaf here, so there's still growth going to happen on that stem. So it's on a 45-degree angle. And I'll just spray the leaves of these for the first week, and they can stay in the house on top of the fish tank. And then once they start to grow, I'll pot them on. So on to pot the rest of these on, we're going into 16cm pots. Tiny bit of potato fertiliser, some fish blood and bone. going to give these roots dusting of mycorrhizal fungi. And top the pot up. Right, well, I'll do exactly the same with the other three. Right then guys, so that's all 5 of them done, and if these 2 cuttings take, that'll be 7 potato plants from a single seed. And the other thing I'm going to do today, just get rid of this, is the condor seed potato that Steve sent me. I'm going to try and do the same sort of thing with this and try and get as much out of it as I can. You can see there's quite a lot of small chits on there, so I'm going to try and cut this up into as many as I can, leave them to dry out for a day and get them planted. So that's 1. 2. 3. That one does have 3 on it, but I'll leave it as 1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 10 chits off the 1 potato there. So I'll leave these a day or 2 to dry out, and I'll just plant them into these 9cm square pots. Let them start off in that, and then pot them on as I've just done with these, and eventually put them into 35 or 40 litre containers. So I'll let you know how I get on with them. And once again, thank you very much, Steve. Right then guys, so that's about it for this one today. Please head on over to Steve's channel, it's Digwell Green Fingers. I will put the link in the description and in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and leave a like and a comment, it really helps out the channel. And that's about it for today guys, bye for now.